To improve their speaking skills at school, English learners can practice speaking English with their classmates during group activities and discussions. They can also ask questions in English during lessons and try to use new vocabulary words they learn in their conversations. Additionally, English learners can listen carefully to their teacher and classmates when they speak English to better understand pronunciation and sentence structure. By practicing speaking English regularly and actively participating in classroom conversations, English learners can boost their confidence and fluency in speaking the language. Improving speaking skills for English learners at school vocabulary list. Fluency. The ability to speak or write in English smoothly and easily without pauses or hesitations. Pronunciation. The way in which English words are spoken, including the sounds of vowels, consonants, and stress on syllables. Communication. Sharing thoughts, information, or ideas with others through speech, writing, or other means. Vocabulary. A collection of words that a person knows and understands in English. Dialogue. A conversation between two or more people where they take turns speaking. Confidence. Feeling sure of oneself and one's abilities to speak English well. Listening. Paying attention to what others are saying and understanding the meaning. Response. Reacting to something that has been said, such as answering questions or providing feedback. Conversation. An informal talk between two or more people, often involving questions and responses. Practice. Repeating an activity or task to improve English speaking skills over time. Feedback. Information or comments given to help someone improve their English speaking abilities. Engagement. Being actively involved and interested in speaking and learning English. Articulation. The clear and precise pronunciation of words when speaking in English. Expression. Conveying feelings, thoughts, or ideas through spoken language. Intonation. The rise and fall of the voice when speaking, which can convey meaning or emotion in English. 1. Do you enjoy practicing speaking English at school? 2. How do you feel when you have to speak in English in front of your classmates? 3. What are some ways you can improve your speaking skills in English? 4. Have you ever participated in any speaking activities in your English class? 5. Do you think it's important for English learners to practice speaking regularly? 6. How do you usually prepare for speaking exams or presentations in English? 7. What challenges do you face when trying to improve your speaking skills in English? 8. Have you ever used any online resources to help with your English speaking practice? 9. What advice would you give to someone who wants to become better at speaking English? 10. How do you feel about speaking English outside of the classroom setting?